This 27-piece portable camping kitchen utensil set is a must-have for anyone who enjoys outdoor cooking. Whether you're planning a camping trip, picnic, barbecue, tailgate party, or just want a reliable cooking kit for your RV or travel adventures, this set has everything you need in one compact package. Each utensil is made from high-quality stainless steel, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. The set includes all the essentials like spatulas, knives, tongs, serving spoons, scissors, a peeler, and even a cutting board. Every item fits neatly into the sturdy organizer case, easy to access while you're on the go. One of the best things about this kit is its versatility. It comes in 4 different colors: black, blue, green, and orange, so you can pick the one that matches your style or helps you stay organized. The carrying case is lightweight and compact. Cleanup is quick and easy since most pieces are dishwasher safe. It's perfect for anyone who wants a reliable, portable kitchen setup without sacrificing quality or convenience. This cookware kit makes a great gift for outdoor lovers, travelers, or families who enjoy meals in the great outdoors. If you're ready to upgrade your outdoor cooking experience, check out the link in the description below to grab your own portable camping kitchen utensil set today.